What's up guys, and welcome back to our channel. In today's video we are again on Shopify, and I'm gonna teach you how to set up a free shipping on your Shopify online store, so make sure to stay until the end of the video. But before we move on, it would mean so much if you subscribe to our channel and hit that notification bell on. So let's hop into the process. So let's say you want to set up your shipping as free. So you can add free shipping rates to any shipping zone so customers don't pay anything for shipping at the checkout. You can set up free shipping to be the only shipping rate on your store, or offer free shipping when specific criteria are met. These criteria can be based on orders over a certain value or on orders over a certain weight. Offering free shipping is a common business and marketing practice because it reassures customers that they won't be charged a surprise high shipping fee when they place their order. So you can set free shipping to be your default shipping rate on all orders. This method makes managing your shipping rates easier and still lets you add additional paid shipping rates for certain products or orders over certain values or weight. So what are the steps? So basically, from your Shopify admin, go to settings and select shipping and delivery. In the shipping section, click on the shipping profile that you want to edit, and for each shipping zone, add free shipping rate. Just click add rate, enter the name of the rate, and make sure that the values of the price is 0. So basically that means the shipping is free. Click done and click save. So we are having shipping fee over a certain value. So to offer free shipping on orders over a certain value, such as let's say $50, you need to add a price-based condition to your free shipping rate. So steps are, again, go to settings and shipping delivery. In the shipping section, click the shipping profile that you want to edit, add a shipping rate to each shipping zone where you want to do it. So go add rate, enter the name of the rate, make sure the value is priced 0, click add conditions, select based on order price and enter that price and click done. After it, just click save. So the process is almost the same for the certain weight. So go to settings and shipping delivery. In shipping section, select shipping profile only. Difference between this with weight and value is you are not choosing based on the value, you're choosing based on item weight in add conditions option. Then enter a minimum weight, click done and press save, and that's basically the entirety of the process. So guys, hopefully this video was helpful to you. As always, thank you so much for watching and see you in our future videos. Goodbye.